3, 2, 1.
Where did the group Buffalo Springfield get their name from? The answer is D, from a steamroller. How much work is done when a force is applied in a different direction than the direction of movement? The answer is B, none. Wo Ladki Hai Kahan is a song released in which year from the movie Dil Chahta Hai performed by Kavita Krishnamurthy? The answer is B, 2001. Pushing an object requires what? The answer is C, heavy exertion. Solar energy travels in what? The answer is C, photons. Why is the narrator dreading the next few weeks? The answer is B, their stepmom is leaving. Broderick Crawford won an Academy Award for Best Actor in 1949 by playing the character of Willie Stark in which movie? The answer is C, All the King's Men. How might I have been feeling when my mother was going through these things? The answer is C, I might have been feeling scared. In what year did Schwarzenegger speak at the Republican National Convention? The answer is D, 2004. What are the kids working on? The answer is A, they are preparing a new YouTube video. How does the narrator get their income? The answer is B, through welfare. What is the long, narrow tube that carries food from the pharynx to the stomach by the mechanism of peristalsis? The answer is A, esophagus. Which of these awards was actually given to a Scooby Gang member at prom in Season 3 of Buffy the Vampire Slayer? The answer is C, Buffy Class Protector. What is warm and damp, exactly? The answer is C, it is my privates. Radioactive decay can give off energy, and what else? The answer is B, particles. When did revolution in the UK begin? The answer is A, 1914. Which group is composed entirely of individuals who maintain that species are fixed, i.e. unchanging? The answer is D, Aristotle, Linnaeus, and Cuvier. What happened after he went to the museum? The answer is D, he left the country. The other two watch and record the match with a cell phone. The two continue to arm wrestle the army man on the right. What happens next? The answer is B, is the winner, and the rest cheer and jeer. Why did they want to cancel the pre-order? The answer is C, to get the satisfaction of a worker reaction. When was the Conditional Access Directive passed in the EU? The answer is A, 1998. Which of the following is a reason life in the outermost planets is less likely than life on planets nearer the Sun? The answer is D, their surfaces are extremely cold. Which of the following would be part of the water cycle? The answer is C, a lake forming a cloud. When skunks are in danger, what do they give off? The answer is D, foul smell. What might have happened that we need to get warm? The answer is C, none of the above choices. Which tools are needed to measure the length and mass of a seashell? The answer is A, a ruler and a balance. Following what attack did Honduras join the Allied nations? The answer is C, Pearl Harbor. What does the mechanical energy of a system include? The answer is A, the sum of the potential and kinetic energy. A man is on a playground with his dogs. The three dogs run with him in circles around the equipment and up the stairs. What happens next? The answer is C, slide down the slides behind him happily. What may be the reason for online shopping? The answer is A, you want the convenience. Which type of chocolate is richest in fat? The answer is B, unsweetened. Plastic bottle, how would you do this? The answer is A, can contain water and other things. What was the name of the recently deceased family who finally had to realize that they were dead in the movie Beetlejuice? The answer is A, Maitland. Which of these cartoon characters was created first in 1937? The answer is D, Daffy Duck. When is the last time a non-cardinal was elected as Pope? The answer is D, 1378. Matter in the liquid phase has what shape? The answer is B, adaptable. Which property of air does a barometer measure? The answer is B, pressure. To flatten a piece of wood, how would you do this? The answer is A, use a router's sled and a surfacing bit. At the end of the passage, what level is the narrator's blood sugar likely at? The answer is D, it is high. The first motion picture theater in the USA, called Electric Theater, opened in Los Angeles, CA, in what year? The answer is A, 1902. Force times distance is the equation for what? The answer is B, work. Since what year has tourism been ongoing to Antarctica? The answer is C, 1957. How to test a 9-volt battery? How would you do this? The answer is A, by touching battery to fingertip. What year was the musical romantic comedy Another Cinderella Story released? The answer is A, 2008. William Roman II reigned England in which of these time periods? The answer is C, 1087 to 1100. Why is the narrator supporting the suppression of emotions? The answer is C, the narrator is attempting to protect themselves. Which of these was not characteristic of Family Matters character Urkel? The answer is B, pocket protector. What might this person have seen that they disapprove of? The answer is D, a person leaving their child alone asleep in a car. What effect describes how Earth's rotation steers winds and surface ocean currents? The answer is A, Coriolis. How did he notice that he liked her?